Welcome friends to another video for the channel. Today we are going to do something new. Today we are doing, as you can see, a triple unboxing. This unboxing is going to be for a series of new videos that are going to be coming to the channel. Without further ado, let's get started. This first box, as all three of them, come from D'Agostini and Fanhome. So I'm going to open the box, and these have already been gone through because I was checking to make sure all contents were here. Because I had a misconception. This first box is going to be for the 1/8 scale model of the Nissan Skyline from Too Fast, Too Furious. Here is pack 2, which is simply a rim. And here is pack 1, which, as you can see, is the front bumper and some of the lights to the Nissan Skyline. That is going to be one of our builds. These are 1/8 scale models, and a lot of these parts are metal, so the car is going to be big. We'll get this box out of the way. And we will grab the next one. Now, my intention with these builds is to hopefully bring one a week to you for each car. This one, I gotta get rid of the packing paper. And I will show you this first. This is the rear bumper and lights to the DeLorean from Back to the Future. This will be one of our builds. And then the last one, that was stage 1 of this build. Stage 2, as you can see, is a fender. This will be stage 2 of the DeLorean build. And we'll get this box out of the way. And then we will grab our last box. Now this one, quite a bit bigger, but that will become apparent. And I will show you this. It is the Toyota Supra Mark IV from the first Fast and Furious. Once again, stage 1, front bumper, headlights, and grille, as well as the reflector ports that are the actual headlight housings for the Supra. And then for stage 2, another wheel. So, those are the 3 new series coming to the channel. With that, I do want to let you know that I have had some dealings with FanHome already, all very positive. As far as the DeLorean goes, I had to get some things straightened out before the DeLorean parts could get started being shipped here. And then when I realized I did not have the assembly instructions for the cars, I gave FanHome a call, and FanHome advised me that they are starting to go digital with their assembly instructions. So, with that, I am going to have to watch the assembly instructions on the phone or on a tablet as I am putting these builds together. With that, I hope this unboxing video inspires you to click the subscribe button and come along the journey with me. I will let you know now, these builds are not going to be quick builds. They only ship once per month. So sometimes, well, all the time there is going to be a delay. But by making this unboxing video now, I hope to get a video out for you guys once a week for each car. So the intended schedule as of right now, I believe I will do the Supra, then the Skyline, and then the DeLorean. Though I did get the Skyline stuff first, so I may do the Skyline first, and then the DeLorean, and then the Supra. Just so we're not doing both Fast and Furious cars back to back. With that, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, let me know. We will do it before each section of car builds. If you don't want to see the unboxings, that's fine. Let me know that as well in the comments. That way I can get the unboxing done ahead of time. And then we can just carry on with the builds. Either way, leave me a comment. Let me know how you want these series to proceed. And if it's something that's going to interest you, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's see how far we can go. With that, I wish you all a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are, whenever you may be watching this. Take care.